The FireKube stove can be set up in just a few moments. First, unfold the 4 legs from the underside of the stove body and position the stove on a level surface. Open a door and attach the wooden handles to the front airflow inlet and door latch. Next, unload the flue sections from the stove body and using the supplied spanner Allen key, attach the flue support cuff to the top of the stove using the screws and bolts provided. The optional side shelves slot into the holes located on either side of the stove body. Then install the flue pieces into the flue support cuff, ensuring the airflow controller section is the first or second section from the bottom. Once at the required height, place the spark arrestor on the top. Your FireKube stove is now ready for its first burn to cure the paintwork. This is an essential step before using the stove in a tent or shelter with a suitable flashing kit. Please refer to your user guide supplied for full safety advice and curing instructions. Brand new and exclusive to Canvas Tent Shop, the FireKube stove. Available now, in stock and ready for next day delivery.